Mom, be careful in the market. There are many bag snatchers these days.
Don't worry, Mila. I'll be careful.
Make sure your bag is secure, Lena.
Yes, everything will be fine.
I'll wait for the apples.
Okay, dear. I'll get some fresh apples.
Mom, walk slowly sometimes.
Yes, nothing will happen. I'll be careful.
Be careful when you go to the market.
Then let's go out.
Would you like some apples, madam? Fresh today?
HM. It would be good to eat an apple, wouldn't it?
No! No, ma'am! You can check out the delicious food that apples are.
Okay, give me half a kilo of apples. I need them for my daughter.
I couldn't pick anyone's pockets today. A woman is seen in a food shop carrying a heavy bag that looks like a lot of money. I need to pay closer attention.
Ma'am, 5 would be good.
Okay, how much money?
$50.
Okay, here's the money.
I have to follow that woman. There are many people, but if I get the chance, I'll take it. Asians, I'll strike when I get the chance. I have a plan in mind. Now, I have to get the bag. Quiet, no one will see me.
It seems like someone is following me. No, there is no one, so I'm mistaken.
Ma'am, please help. I fell.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yes, but the bag feels heavy.
What are you saying?
Give me the bag.
No. My bag.
Be quiet.
Help. Thief.
Give me the bag. Otherwise, I will kill you.
Thief. Thief. Catch him. The bag is mine. Will no one help me?
I'm escaping. No one can catch me.
He can't escape. Stop him!
Look, he's running away.
I'm calling the police.
Hello!
Hello, police station?
Yes, how can we help you?
An incident occurred at the local market.
What happened?
The thief ran away with someone's bag in robbery.
Okay, we're trying to rescue the bag. Give me some time.
Okay, thank you, sir. Don't worry. I told the police everything. They are trying to steal your bag.
Now, you have to go home.
Back to home.
What happened, Lena?
Where is your bag, Mom? You didn't buy me an apple.
Lena, why aren't you talking? Answer the question.
I went to the market. I bought an apple for Mila.
Then,
On the way back from the market, the thief stole the bag.
that means the thief took all the money.
Did the thief take the apple with him?
Yes. I tried so hard, no one stopped him.
You haven't been harmed anywhere.
If I didn't give a bag, the thief would kill me.
You've come home long enough. That's a lot.
I don't need any more apples, Mom.
The police were called and everything was reported. He said he would let us know if he found the bag.
Okay, Mom, don't have to worry. After a few days.
Wasn't your bag stolen a few days ago?
Yes, my bag was stolen on the way back from the market.
We've been looking for that thief for a long time. As we arrested him, we saw a black bag.
Can you show me the bag so I can recognize?
That is the bag.
This is the stolen bag.
Check inside to see if the money is okay.
Yes, the money inside is all right.
You need to help us identify the thief.
Of course.
He had been running away from us for a long time.
May he be given the harshest punishment.
He is a big criminal and has a murder charge in his name.
Thank you for your help, sir. Here we go.
Okay, I can call him again if necessary.